Okay, now see, in first personal pronoun we have singular types also and plurals also. Means personal pronoun has both singulars and plurals. Means whenever I am talking about myself, it's a singular. Whenever I am talking about ourselves, it has become a plural. So just have a look on this chart. Personal pronoun, singular and plural. Now in first person personal pronoun, singular can be I and me. Is it okay? And in plural it will be we and us. Means first personal singular pronoun, it could be I and me. Second personal singular pronoun will be you, and second person singular pronoun plural pronoun will be you, because in both cases we have to consider it as a you. Third personal singular pronoun is he, him, she, her, it. But when it has become a plural, it will become a they or them. So remember this chart always. If you want, draw it and stick it in your cupboard or in your notebook. Just have a look on these examples. First is he likes to play with kids. Now here what is he? He is the personal pronoun. Which personal pronoun? First person, second person, third person? Because he, it's a singular and it is a third person singular personal pronoun. This is what you should be able to recognize the type of personal pronoun. What is he here? He likes means the speaker is talking about the third person who is not present here, so he has become a personal pronoun. This is the first job. Now second job is he is what? Third person singular, third person personal pronoun. Now whether it is a singular or plural, it is a singular. So what we can say? He is the third person singular personal pronoun. Clear? Second one is we should listen to one another. We means what? We itself, it consider that we is a plural form. Okay, we should listen to one another. Now in such a situation, we is what? A speaker is the first person, because they all are present together and the speaker is saying we should. Okay, so it has become a first person. We shows the plural form, so we can say first person plural personal pronoun. So this is what you can study each and every word, and you can find out the type of pronoun. Third is I heard them singing downstairs. I is the first person singular and them is third person plural. Fourth one is they surely know the answer. They means again plural form, third person plural form. I told her to be quiet. I is again singular form, first person. Her is, what is her here? Her is a singular form, third person. So this is what you can think about this chart. You can just keep the chart in your mind and you can easily find out the personal pronoun. Okay, and you always remember this chart in your mind. Which chart? Wait a minute, I'll show you. The chart where we have seen the first person and second person, third person. This chart, for your better understanding, you can draw this chart and stick it in your notebook, and along with this you can also note down this chart also, and with the help of these two charts you will be easily able to understand the personal pronoun. Got it? So this was the first type of pronoun, that is personal pronoun, as it has 2-3 different aspects. So today we will stop it here, and in next lecture we can continue with the other 5 topics of the pronoun. So till that, study the charts, study the sentences properly, and be confirmed in personal pronoun, so that we could continue with the next types of pronoun. Thank you so much.